So here we are, my Felony, round number 2, stock electronics, 6S. Got my GPS tracker. Right here, we have the foam that came out of these brand new tires. Not even one single pass on them, and the foam came out. And if you come over around here, the glue came undone. Don't know what happened there, but you know, whatever. C'est la vie. This is what happened. So we're going to the Hoons. These are whites. They might be silvers. Not sure. We're going to try to get a good pass out of this. We're going for 90. Maybe. It ran 71 with a blown tire. It's got the speed pinion in from that comes with the Arrma Felony. I went through the diffs, front and rear, and the center. I've changed all the lube up. So we're going to try to put these Hoons on the back and hopefully get a good pass out of it. And hope our camera that is filming right now will stay charged because we're down to 6%. Anyways, so far this car is stock for the most part, from a few different, you know, other than the few a few tuning things that I've done to the ESC and the diffs and whatnot. Pretty soon it's going to get a upgraded system, probably a Hobbywing Max6 with a 5690 kV motor. We'll see what it does then. Hopefully run it on 8S. Got this new bitty design Porsche body that painted up for it, and I really hope that you guys hear the delightfully beautiful music playing in the background. It's the shark song. It's to keep the homeless people out from migrating into this part of the world. All right, here we go. Round 2. Get the body on. And for all your RC enthusiasts out there, I hope you get up every day, think about your RCs, think about what you can do, how to improve it, what you can do to improve the quality of your RC experience, driving it, building them, whatever it is. Doesn't matter. It's a hobby. It's supposed to be fun. I like to make my cars look pretty and beautiful. They're not shelf queens. We're going to see if this is running. We're going to see. Okay, we're all tied in. And we're going to start. Oh, got to turn the car on. And this is my dog Bentley. Over here, buddy. Over here. Alright, here we go. Tell that the gyro is set a little too high. And we'll end.